In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot in TradingView. This is a really handy feature if you want to capture your chart exactly as you see it, whether for sharing with others, saving your analysis, or keeping a visual trading journal. First, make sure you're on the chart you want to capture. Take a moment to set it up exactly the way you like. Adjust your time frame, add or hide indicators, draw your lines or shapes, and zoom in or out to the area of the chart that matters to you. The snapshot will capture what's visible on your screen, so it's worth spending a few seconds to get everything looking right before you continue. Once your chart is ready, look toward the upper right corner of the TradingView interface. There, you'll see a small camera icon. This is the snapshot tool. Move your cursor to that camera icon and click it. You don't need to hold any special keys or use a shortcut. A simple click is enough to start the snapshot process. As soon as you click the camera icon, TradingView will open a set of on-screen prompts. These prompts might offer several options depending on your current setup. Typically, you'll see choices such as copying the image, saving it to your device, or generating a link that you can share. Take a moment to read each option so you choose the one that best fits your needs. If you want to quickly paste the snapshot into a document, a chat, or a note, select the option that copies the image or the image link to your clipboard. Then you can paste it wherever you like. If you prefer to store the image locally on your computer, choose the option to download or save the file. TradingView will usually let you pick a location on your device, and you can rename the file to something meaningful, like the symbol and date. If TradingView provides a shareable link, that can be especially useful for sending your chart to colleagues, friends, or a trading community. You can post the link in a message on social media or inside a trading journal app that supports links. After you've followed the on-screen prompts and chosen your preferred option, your snapshot is created. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly check that everything looks right. Open the saved file or paste the copied image somewhere to confirm the chart matches what you intended to capture. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the camera icon in the upper right corner and following the on-screen prompts, you can easily take clean, professional snapshots of your TradingView charts whenever you need them.